How's it going, everybody? Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. This is my daughter Emma.
Hi.
And today we're going to swap out some ignition coils. So we're going to go from the stock blacktop coils to the red top R8 coils. A good reason to upgrade the coils would be if one is bad. In this case, they're not bad, but the R8 coils are known to have a hotter spark, so that will give a little more performance. Makes the spark plug work a little better, and doesn't have as much spark blowout and higher boost levels. Granted, we're not running higher boost levels yet on this car other than the stage 1, which is about 16 psi, but when you upgrade the turbo, go to a higher boost level, they help a lot. So all right, first thing we're going to do is we took the engine cover off, so we already did that. The second thing is unclip the harness here. So when you do these harness connectors, they're kind of tough to do sometimes, but there's a little tab that you push back, and you want to push in on the connector as well as push down at the same time on the tab, and then you can pull them off individually. So all right, let's go ahead and take them out. So Emma's going to take them out. All right, one thing to think about too is you want to pay attention to the ignition coil as it comes out. If there's any oil or anything on those, that means you have oil that's gotten down inside the spark plug tubes, and that means your camshaft cover is leaking at the gasket area. So something to keep an eye on when you're taking the ignition coils out. So all right, got one more, grab another one out of there. Okay, and then grab the new coils. And we're going to put them in with the connector side facing backwards. All right. There we go. Okay, grab the other ones. Good job. Okay, now we're going to push down on the coils so that they are locked in. So go ahead and push down, and you can kind of give them a tap on the top too if you need to. That kind of hurt your hand there. That hurt?
A little bit.
All right, so we're pushed down. Okay, that one's in. Give them a nice tap so that they're all secured. All right, now we're going to put the harness, so get the connector right there. All right, line them all up, and then you're going to pull on it until it clicks. And you're going to hear it click for all of them. That means that it's fully secured. All right, nice job. Good job swapping out coils. That was your first time doing that, huh? Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right, after any good replacement of parts, you always want to check your work. So we're going to start her up. Go ahead. Make sure it's in neutral. Good job. All right. Give a little rev. All the gas pedals all the way over to the right. Yep. Nice. Good job. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm excited for the rest of Vlogmas and for Emma to replace the coils for the first time. So thanks for watching.